In a previous video, I compared and contrasted the old Kicker Solo X as well as the new L7X that was just released. It's 20 hertz.
He is getting it in the living room.
Woo. In this one, we did get over 11,000 watts once again, but
A few moments later.
Oh, there it went. Lorenzo Dunzo.
Did you see the memo about this? Yeah.
yeah, I know you guys are going to complain, hey, this guy put over 10,000 watts to this 12-inch sub and didn't get a 150. 146 is about the best I got, but I did not do a lot of different movement of the box. I didn't do the SPL tricks. I didn't roll the windows down. I didn't do anything like that. It was sealed up with the meter on the windshield.
All right, for the full video, go check out Williston Audio Labs, Big D Wiz. You see how it all happened, and then some. Yeah, 12,000 watts.